Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use NFC payments on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Okay, first open up the settings, then go into multi-device connection, and in here you can turn on your NFC. Tap on that, make sure that the checkbox is enabled, and we also of course gotta add our access or bank card. You can click on add NFC cards, then all you gotta do is to place your phone next to your card and it will be automatically added to your wallet on your device. You can also click on card pack. Currently it's not available to use the bank card, but we can only add the add access cards. That's the same thing that I have shown like 2 seconds ago. So that's how you can do it. In here, if you click on me, you have your INFINIX account, and if you want to add the things, you gotta be signed into your INFINIX ID. If you don't have the account, you have to create it. Don't worry, it's really easy, and it's completely for free. Okay, we also have the tap to pay. To use tap to pay, set up a payment app, then hold the back of your phone up to a device with an NFC. You have options such as pay with. You can use payment app in use or default payment app. It's up to you what things you want to select. And then we have the default payment. We have the wallet or the Google Pay, so you can also use the Google Pay. When it comes to adding the card to your Google Pay, it should be called Google Wallet, but I think that it may not be installed defaultly, so we gotta open up the Play Store. In here type Google Wallet, then click on install, and in this app you'll also be able to add your payment card. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.